Alright friends, let's say I want to print each item in the array list one by one. So to do that, I can use a loop to access the elements. I can use for loop, but better way I can use Foreach loop. So because with a traditional for loop, I need to know the size of array list. But an easier way is to use Foreach loop. So let's add one more element, maybe two more elements. I come here, I say, I copy these. So I add here Java, and Python, Okay. So how can I use Foreach loop? I delete all and then I open my Foreach loop. What's my name of array list? Languages. So after the column, I put languages. And then, what is that? This string. So this represents each element in the array list. So I should give a name. It could be logical. It should be logical. So that's why I give language. I give language as a name. Language here will automatically take each value one at a time. So we can use it inside the loop and print or process the items. I come here, I want to print it. This way I use system.out.print. I want to print on the same line. And then after the language, I just give one space between each item. So let's run it. You see C, C#, Java, Python, JavaScript appears on the screen. As you see, each time the current language name will be stored in the variable language and printed to the screen.